What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to know how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So I'm starting off freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using the Emerge products today, the leave-in conditioner and the gel. Just going to be applying a little bit of that leave-in conditioner onto my hair and make sure to smooth it out. Take your time, make sure you don't have any snags or tangles in your hair. So after applying your leave-in conditioner, go back and apply your gel and smooth that through as well. Look at the curls it's giving. Might need to do a wash and go, y'all. So as you guys can tell in the title, we are doing a chunky braid and curl today. I am using these blue Flexi rods. I'm not really sure about the size, but a little smaller than the purple ones. And I did make sure to part out my hair just to kind of help make the style look a little bit cleaner and make sure I'm getting everything that I need. So now that you guys have a better view, after I've applied all the products, I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair down. I'm doing the sections kind of big, not too entirely large, but big enough where it's not going to take all day. So I'm going to tuck my ends in the Flexi rod and curl my hair over about 2 or 3 spins just to get that end part and just a little bit of the braid in there and lock it in. Now, one thing, these Flexi rods will be hanging in your face, so be prepared for that if you're planning to leave them in. I sat under the dryer to dry mine, so I didn't sleep with them overnight. So again, you guys can see here, I'm just going to braid the hair down, just a little bit more of a close-up. Braided the hair down, and I'm going to tuck my ends and roll the Flexi rod over my hair up. You're just going to do this to your whole head. I used about 12 Flexi rods total. Towards the end of the process, I realized that I didn't have enough. So I actually took the Flexi rods out the back, the bottom 2 out of the back of my hair. Now here at the top in the middle, what I'm going to do is try to braid down. Now I don't know how to cornrow. If you're new here, we don't cornrow here. We don't know. Okay, we didn't get that skill. But I'm doing my best attempt here just to kind of help smooth that top area down and give me some volume up in the front of my hair. And just continue to braid normally after you finish that first cornrow part of your hair. As you can see, you do want to try to smooth your hair down and prevent any of those curls from popping out of the braid. So now I am all done. As you guys can see, I ended up running out of Flexi rods. I used about 12 total. I ran out in the front of my hair, so I had to take 2 out the back out. But it ended up okay. It's okay, y'all. I sat in the dryer for about an hour or 2 and then let them in for like an additional hour before taking them out, and here are the results. The first thing you're going to do is undo the Flexi rod, and then I applied some hair oil before I began to take them out. And you guys, just watch, y'all, just watch. So here I am, just took the braids out. I didn't do too much fluffing or picking, but that's coming, y'all, that's coming. You see me. Wow, look at how it came out. I look beautiful. What? I can't believe it. Y'all, what have I been doing all of my life? What have I been doing all my life? Why I ain't never done this before? Why I ain't never done this before? I don't understand. Who didn't tell me to be doing this style? I don't understand. What is it giving? Look, it's giving shape. It's still giving shape. It's giving bounce. It's giving volume.
It's giving everything.
It's giving everything. Y'all heard it straight from D himself. And if he said it, then that's what it is. It's giving everything. Yo, wow. I've been asleep, but I'm woke. So y'all can expect some more of these from me. We're gonna try out some different products. We're gonna perfect this because I'm here for it. I love this for me. Truly. If you love this for me too and you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.